Good morning, children. Already yesterday we are discussing about so many topics. So you know what are the nutrients present in the macronutrients and micronutrients. So today you are having one activity. From this lesson, what to learn? Okay. From this lesson, what to learn? What are the small doses and what is the healthy in our body? So you have to write all these from the activity. So now open your studio. Children, yesterday you have completed page number 81 activity. So today you have to complete 5B. Okay. See, make a reference booklet on your learnings from this lesson. In this lesson, what you learn from this lesson, you have to prepare one booklet. Okay. So it is in the companion. So now open companion 5B. See children, in companion page number 21, we are having this 5B activity. Make your own booklet. Okay. First aim to make a booklet on the learning from this lesson. Okay, from this lesson what you learn, what are the things you know. So you have to first think and what you need, pencil, sketch pens and pictures of foods that are rich sources of different micronutrients and fiber. Okay, so if you have any pictures on your old books, you have to stick there. And what to do? Form teams of 3, cut out the page in the figure A and fold it into pleats of folds like a paper fan. You know, for example, this is the paper if you take. If you fold like paper fans, you know already like this. See, like this. You have to fold it like paper fan. So, on the first fold pleat, write the name of your booklet and decorate it. Okay. For example, on the this is the first pleat or the first fold. So, this first fold you have to write the name of this lesson and you have to decorate in the first pleat. And after that, choose any 3 vitamins. You have so many vitamins. So, in the you have to choose any 3 vitamins. On the text fold or plate, write the name of one vitamin and its benefits. First fold, in first fold you wrote here name, and next one you will write here vitamins. Okay, you have to stick vitamins pictures, and after here write benefits. Okay, and draw or stick pictures of its sources on the following fold. Just it is like a booklet. If you are open these, children, if you are open these, you have to if you have more folds, it is no problem. Just you have to fold it, and first here you have to write the name, and next you have to write, if you are open this, here you are writing vitamins and vitamins pictures and its benefits here. And if you have another foldings, you have to stick like that. So you have to prepare like a booklet. In this lesson, what you learn? So in this lesson, we will learn so many things from the vitamins. So here you are having for the cuttings mark. See children, see page number 23 and 24, 25, 26. These are given for cuttings. Okay. If you are folding these papers, you will prepare a booklet. Okay, so already they are given here, so you have to prepare booklet for these papers. Okay children, no need to take another papers. And next, from this lesson what you learn, first we will discuss like a mind map. Okay, so in studio see once page number 83. See children, page number 83 you are having here mind map. So what is this lesson we know? In this lesson we know healthy food. So healthy food they are having so many nutrients. What are the nutrients? Micronutrients and macronutrients. Micronutrients means small amount of nutrients. So vitamins and minerals, these are the micronutrients. So macronutrients, what are the? You know macronutrients, carbohydrates, these are the macronutrients. So And micronutrients after we need fiber also. Okay, here you have to write these micronutrients. What are the micronutrients we need? Vitamins and minerals. So minerals means here calcium and iron. So very uses of that is, and vitamins means A, B, C, D, K. These are the vitamins. So if you have any uses, yes. So A vitamin, it can keeps the better vision to keep skin healthy also. Okay, if you are eat daily A vitamin, it is better to see clearly. Okay, and next if you eat B vitamins, it can produce energy and it can help the brain to work properly. Okay, and if you eat C vitamin, you will get good immunity power. And if you eat D vitamin, your bones are very strong and you strengthen the immunity also. And D, it can stop the bleeding from the cuts and wounds. If you get any deficiency of the vitamin K, your bleeding is not stopped, it will be flowing. Okay, that's why if you are eating proper amount of the K vitamin, your bleeding also stop. And from the cuts and wounds, if you get any cuts and wounds on your skin, immediately it will stop the bleeding. Okay, and fiber, okay, it can prevent from the constipation. Okay, for example, if you have any digestion problems in your stomach, the fiber will be reduced all problems. So children, you know these all from this lesson. So complete the mind map also. Okay, I hope you will complete this. Okay children, in next we will discuss glossary and remaining tomorrow. Bye children, have a nice day.